Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Coinbase. If you're new to Coinbase, it's one of the most trusted and widely used cryptocurrency platforms in the world. With Coinbase, you can buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. One of its biggest strengths is its simplicity, making it a top choice for beginners as well as experienced users. Now, if you want to transfer Bitcoin from another platform like Cash App, PayPal, or even another wallet to your Coinbase account, you'll need to know your Bitcoin wallet address. Your Bitcoin wallet address is unique to your account and acts like a destination where the Bitcoin will be sent. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to find it. To get started, log in to your Coinbase account. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and then sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the home page where you'll see your portfolio and other account details. Now, to access your Bitcoin wallet address, locate the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open the main menu. From there, you'll see a variety of options related to your account. The option you're looking for is labeled Receive. Click on Receive, as this is where you can view your wallet address for receiving cryptocurrency. After selecting Receive, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies supported by Coinbase. Since we're looking for the Bitcoin wallet address, scroll through the list and click on BTC, which stands for Bitcoin. Once you click on BTC, you'll see your unique Bitcoin wallet address displayed on the screen. Your Bitcoin wallet address is a long string of letters and numbers. This address is unique to you and should be shared carefully. You'll also see a QR code next to the wallet address. There are two ways you can use this information. If someone is sending Bitcoin to you, they can scan the QR code directly using their app or device. Alternatively, you can click on the small copy icon next to your wallet address to copy it. Once you click it, you'll see a message confirming that the address has been copied. You can then paste this address into a message or form depending on where it's needed. Before sharing your wallet address, it's important to keep a few things in mind. This address is for Bitcoin only and works specifically on the Bitcoin network. Don't try to send Bitcoin Cash or any other cryptocurrency to this address, as it could result in a permanent loss of funds. Similarly, avoid sending Bitcoin through other networks like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, as this may also lead to a loss of your Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin is sent to your wallet, allow about 9 minutes for the transaction to process. And that's it. You now know how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Coinbase. It's a simple process, but knowing where to find your wallet address is crucial for safely receiving Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.